Mona Lisa Wraps, the future of AI with Microsoft's VASA-1. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a mind-blowing update from the tech world that's turning heads and sparking debates. Ever imagine the Mona Lisa wrapping? Well, it's happening. Let's find out how. Microsoft has just unleashed its AI app VASA-1, transforming the iconic Mona Lisa into a wrapping sensation. This video has already scored over 7 million views. From rolling on the floor laughing to "this is crazy, man, the internet can't get enough." But not everyone's amused. Some joke, Da Vinci is rolling in his grave. VASA-1 can animate any still photo to sing or talk based on audio clips. Similar tech like Alibaba's EMO has done this, but Microsoft's take has gone viral with its lifelike expressions. This tech is exciting, but also raises questions. As one user pointed out, distinguishing real from AI might soon get tougher, leading to potential scams. What do you think about this AI-powered Mona Lisa? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.